Okay, so I'm running out of disk space on my XPS 9365. So as you can see, my C drive is almost full. So what I'm going to do is go to Start and Settings, and I'm going to go to System, and then I'm going to go to Storage, and here I'm going to select Free Up Space now, and it will scan my solid state drive and it will tell me what I can clear out. So by default, the following are selected. So by default, the following are selected: Windows Upgrade log files, thumbnails, Windows Defender, antivirus, temporary internet files, temporary files, and DirectX shader cache. Now the things that will likely save you the most space are removal of previous Windows installations. So in most cases you'll never revert back to an old build, so you can remove the previous Windows installations. You can also remove everything in your downloads folder. Check it to see if there's anything important there before doing this. And also your recycle bin. So I've got a lot of old experiment data in my recycle bin. It's about 25 gigabytes. My previous Windows installation is about 23 gigabytes. So now I can just select remove files. So you can see that I only had 136 gigabytes free on my solid state drive, and after this cleanup I have about 178 gigabytes free. And once it's done, the remove button will be grayed out and you can just go ahead and close settings and continue to use your computer.